Every year in Holland, fields become a rainbow of colors from the tulip fields. This is how you draw a tulip field, like the kind that are in Holland in the summer. First, start by drawing a horizon line across the paper. Our horizon line separates the sky from the ground. Make a dot in the middle of your horizon line. Start making straight lines, moving from the dot down to the edge of the paper. Continue making lines from the dot to the edge of the paper. Keep them straight. Fill up the page. Start drawing things in the background on the horizon line and in the sky. I did a windmill, but you don't have to do something like that. Get creative with it. Maybe aliens are visiting the field. Maybe monsters are growing out of it. Anything is fair game. When you finish drawing it, color it. You can do individual flowers or large patches of color. Use whatever you have. Use crayons, use markers, use paint. Have fun with it. Anything is fair game.